We'll guide you through how to set up C++ in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Let's get started. First, we have to install MinGW compiler, which is what we need to compile and run C and C++ program on Windows. Now, open any web browser to your liking and in the search bar, just search for MinGW compiler and hit enter. Now, just click on the official first link and from here, just click on download. And you will see your download will start shortly and it will give you a little countdown, and after that our download will be successfully completed. Just click on the setup exe and click on install. Just leave the installation directory at default, or if you have any reason to change, you can just click on change and change your directory from here also. Just click on continue and wait for the download to complete. And after the download is complete, just click on continue like so. And after that, you will land in this interface. Now from here, you will see some packages. Make sure to select the necessary ones. And just make sure to select the MinGW Developer Toolkit and just click on it and click on Mark for installation. And as I have already installed it, it will not be visible for Mark for installation, but if you are using it for the first time, you will see an option for Mark for installation. So just mark it for installation. And the second one is MinGW Base. Just click on it and mark for installation, and also select MinGW32 GCC G++ and mark it for installation. And you can also choose MinGW Objective, but this is optional. And after selected, just go to your installation at the top left and click on apply changes. This will now download and install the selected packages, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. And once everything is done, you will see a message that says all the changes were applied successfully. After that, just close it. Next, we need to make sure Windows can find MinGW when we run commands. For this, we need to add MinGW to the system path. Open your file explorer and go to this PC and go to local disk C. From here, locate the MinGW folder and click on it and go inside your bin. After you are in the bin, just right click on your address bar and click on copy address like so. And after that, go to your start menu and search for environment variable. And from the recommendation, you can just choose the edit the system environment variable like so, and a pop-up will appear. From here, just click on environment variable, and under system variable, you will see an option labeled as path. Just select it and click on edit and click on new, and paste the path that we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and click on OK. And click on OK and click on OK to close all. This will allow your computer to run MinGW command from anywhere. Now, before we install VS Code, it is important to check if MinGW is working properly. Just open your command prompt by typing cmd and just open it. And in the command prompt, type the following command. Just type G and type ++, give it a space and double hyphen and type version and hit enter. If MinGW is installed correctly, you will see the version of compiler displayed on the screen. This proves that your MinGW compiler is installed and ready to use. If you don't see a version and get an error instead, this means your path was not added correctly and you should go back and double check the step. Now that the MinGW is installed and verified, let's install Visual Studio Code. Now just open any web browser to your liking and open a new tab and search for Visual Studio Code. And after you have searched it, the first official link will appear, and just click on it. And from here, just click on download for Windows. And after clicking on download for Windows, a exe file will be downloaded, and Just click on the exe file and follow the setup steps. And as for me, for the sake of the tutorial, I have already installed VS Code on my computer. Now with VS Code installed, the next step is to connect it with C and C++. Now just open your VS Code, just type VS Code and open it. And after the VS Code is open, just go to the Explorer icon and click on Open Folder. And now you can create any folder anywhere you like. Let's say I want to create it under music, and after the folder is selected, just click on Select Folder and just click on I trust the author and just click on New Folder. And you can create a new folder and you can name it like GuideRealm project. And hit enter. And you will see a folder will be created under the folder that we selected. Now right click inside the folder and click on New File. You can just name it anything, and for the sake of tutorial, I'm just gonna name it demo.c. You can just type .c for a C program, or you can just type demo.cpp for a C++ program and just hit enter. And when you create a file, VS Code will prompt you to install this extension at your bottom right, like so. Just click on install to add the extension. This extension allows VS Code to recognize C and C++ code, provide suggestion, and helps with compiling. And just wait for the installation to complete, and after the installation is complete, you will see now we can disable and uninstall which proves that our extension has been downloaded. Now just close the tab, and now we need to verify the VS Code can use MinGW compiler. Just open your terminal and click on New Terminal. And in the terminal, just type G++, give it a space, double hyphen, and type version and hit enter. If you see the version of the compiler displayed, it means VS Code can now access MinGW and everything is ready to use. At this point, you don't need to write any code yet. We are just making sure the setup is working perfectly. And that's it. Now you have successfully installed MinGW compiler, installed VS Code, connected VS Code with C and C++, and verified that the compiler works in VS Code. You are now ready to start learning and writing your first C and C++ program.